Swim, swim, swim. Okay, o balik na, isa-isa lang para matagal. Para matagal yung game. O balik doon sa ladder, swim. O lagay dyan sa gilid. O akyat ulit, akyat. Go up again, go up. Porque, yan, go up. Sige, sige. Go,
Shoot.
go,
Very
go.
good.
Oh, wait. Dito. Go dito. Tapos jump, go, jump. Go, swim fast. Oh, asan pa? Go, get the blue block. Ayun pa, may isa pang block. Ayun, blue pa, blue, go. Oh, ayun. Isa pa. Okay, balik ka, babalik, go! Go! And up. Put it there. Dito. Here, para dito. Okay. And go! Go swim! Swim! Get in. Oh, go, get it. Get the block. Oh, ayaw magpakuha. Ayaw! Okay. Get air ka muna para makabalik doon. Go, swim! Oh, go, continue! Oh, may lingon ka sa akin. Oh, go back. Kick fast. Up, yan. Put it on the back. Di ba may binato kang frog sa ilalim? Meron kayo nung binato? Kunin natin yun, binato mo yun. O tara, game.
Touch the floor.
Touch the floor. Okay, wait. Find the frog. Nakita mo na. Nakita mo? O, get air na marami. Oo, balik. Meron pa doon. May penguin pa ako doon eh. Kasi may penguin ako nalaglag kanina. Wait, isa pa. Last one. May penguin ako ayun oh. Kunin lang natin yung penguin, okay? O, tingnan mo muna kung nasaan. You saw it? Nakita mo? Kunin natin ha. Ready, get air, down, go. Very good. High five! High five muna. Okay, swim ka dun sa ladder, go. Yan. Very good na si Kirby, oh. Okay. That's all for now, Kirby. Pero before that, gusto ko high five jump. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go! Taas na tumalon na. Very good na. O, go back there. Bye, Curbs.
Bye, coach. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bukas ulit.